How to enable quit mode or sleep mode on Instagram. First, I open Instagram app on my mobile phone. This is Android. If you are Apple user, this is the same method. Then click on this your profile icon. That's my logo. Then again click on time management. Here are you can see sleep mode available. Now just on, then select your reference time. Example 12 a.m. to maybe 7 or 6 a.m. Then you can see this is a sleep mode on. Then click on save. And if you are not if you are interested to not use weekly on or today, if you are able to off this method, you can see this is a weekly chart. So this is a method how you can enable or on sleep mode or quit mode on Instagram. So if you found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.